The basics of how this technology works: we place an actor in a stage that has a giant LED wall behind them. The LED wall has an environment, an image, a place on it, and that place moves and reacts in time with the camera. So when the camera moves around and films this person in the space, it actually looks like they're in that real world. Even though it's a virtual stage, it's a virtual set, we're able to make it look like our actors are in any place we can imagine.
Something's flying across, they can react to it in real time. You just feel so much more immersed as opposed to going back to the prequels with George Lucas when he's trying to direct actors and there's just blue and he's like, oh, look at this is going on here, this is going on here, and they're all like, it just looks real. We were watching a clip earlier and it was really hard to try and pinpoint what was and what wasn't, and that's what you want. You want people to not notice at all.
Post-production workflows sometimes can be very render heavy and you're having to fix a lot of things in post, and the benefit with virtual production is essentially moving that process to the front of the pipeline. Essentially allows you to capture it all in real time, so that by the time you get to post, most all of those decisions are already done.